Hi, my Lalix. Today we… Oh! Rumi, Jinu, what are you doing here?
Lalilu, we need help right now.
We're late for the puppy playtime party. You're our only hope. Hey, wait, calm down. No need to panic like that. I know how to help you. Yay! Wow, what's this? I know, it's an unboxing. Awesome, these boxes look so cool. Pick which one to open first. I'll let you choose. Thanks, you're so sweet. Rumi, go ahead. Let's start with the yellow one. Okay. Whoa, this isn't what I wanted. Don't worry, let's open another one. Maybe you should do it. As you wish. Lalilu, open it. Voila! Yay, I love Lily! So cool. La la la! Oops! Jinu, are you okay? I'm fine. Your hair's all messy, let me fix it. So we got Lily and Rory. Time to get ready for the party. And my bestie Lali will help you with the looks.
Hi there, let's start with you. Ready? Let's head to the workshop. Hop, stay right here, I'll be right back. Lalilu, I brought her.
Nice job. So what are we doing first?
Ooh, I wish it was a dress.
We got a hairstyle. Yay!
I wanted a dress.
Don't worry, we'll make it later, right?
That tickles. Okay.
All right, let's begin. Rumi already has a cute purple braid, but we need a slightly different one. I need to snip a little, yeah, like this. One by one, undoing it. Oh no, more bands here, oh, so many. Finally, the hair is free. It turned into a heart, oh, so cute. Okay, Lily has 3 braids. Rumi, sit here and relax. Woohoo! Lali, how did you get here? Wanna help?
Me? Nah, I'll just watch.
All right, your choice. I'll start braiding then. Separating a strand. I'll deal with the bangs later. Making a high ponytail. Taking 2 thin strands. I'll shape them with wire. Cutting 2 pieces. Snipping with cutters. Bending and fixing in the center. Braiding the wire into the hair. The ends need styling. A tiny bit of glue on my fingers. And done. Wow, real Lali style. And here will be a special braid. So fluffy. Now let's fix the bangs. Placing them on the flat iron. Nice, the curl is so bouncy. A little star. Adorable. Voila, this hairstyle totally slays. Thanks, I really like it. Ready? Yeah, Rory has a cool haircut.
Oh ho ho, it's time for a big trim. Head down.
Oh, my little barber. Let me do it instead. Carefully shaving it all off.
Wow, that's a lot of hair. And who's cleaning it up?
What? My gorgeous hair!
Well, still handsome. Jinu, you're going to look amazing. Just let me finish. You're about to enter my new prime era. Now we need to clean up the leftovers. Honestly, couldn't look more bold. A true king.
Yeah.
And now we clean up after ourselves.
I've got a mustache. Lalilu, look.
Aw, what a cutie. Wait, is that it? Of course not. Pick a color. I want… Oh, let's do blue. Great choice. Hold the hair. But it's white.
That's what hair dye is for. Watch. Bubblegum blue.
I'll quickly recolor everything. Spreading out our fibers. Squeezing just a little. And brushing it through. Covering with foil. And we wait 40 minutes. Lalilu, yeah! Wow, Lali will love it.
Wow, so pretty! sticking it right on the head.
Is that really how it's supposed to go?
You look like a cloud in pants. LOL.
All right. It actually suits you, but I'll fix it up a bit. Applying glue. Oh wait, I forgot the base. 1 second. Applying glue and gently attaching the strand. I'll fill the whole head like this. And here. Now a haircut. Snip, snip. I always dreamed of being a hairstylist.
Let's color it.
Oh, my favorite palette. I'll pick blue. Adding texture to the hair and fixing the strands.
Wow, I'm in love.
Don't fall in love yet, I haven't styled it. I need mousse and gel. Applying them. Perfect, looks exactly the same. Jinu is bored again. And here comes the wheel. Whoa, why so sudden?
Here I am, Lali, dramatic entrance.
Here's something else.
Yay, let's spin already.
No, this time I'll do it myself. I can't do it.
Aw, poor thing. Don't worry, I'm here. Let's do it together.
Okay.
And what is it?
And it's makeup. But first, the doll goes back to being a doll.
I brought acetone.
My bestie helper, thank you. I've got everything here. Remover, cotton pads, and swabs.
Ew, it smells bad. Yuck. Cover your nose when acetone is nearby.
Soaking the pad. Carefully wiping the doll's face.
Where are your gloves?
Right, thanks, Lali. Acetone is harsh on hands.
This looks funny.
Cleaning up the details. Lalilu, yeah. That took a while, but the face is finally clean. Let's start with the eyes. Picking up white paint and covering the surface. This is just the beginning.
Whee! Look what I've got.
Wow, a real rocket.
And I'm an astronaut.
Good job. Let me borrow that. Okay, let's check the reference. Oops, this pencil is too big. This one works better. Sketching the future eyes. And next, Lali, what are you doing here?
I picked a color for you.
Nice, that's a perfect match. First, painting a dark blue base. Black pupils with glossy paint. Perfect.
Hey, what about the light blue?
Shoo, I'm not done yet. Adding details with a thin brush. A couple of white highlights. Time for the brows. Watercolor pencils are a great choice. Oh, he turned out adorable. Let's give him a charming smile. This one is just right. So, does it look like Rory?
Lalilu, you forgot the ears.
Here's some texture paste.
Oh, nice. Let's make awesome ears. This is my dream Rory.
You can come to life now. Can I see myself? Of course. Ooh, I look so cute.
This wheel is heavy.
Thanks, Lali. Great job. Spinning. Awesome, we got makeup.
Aw, man, not a dress again.
Hey, don't go. You'll see, it's gonna be great.
Stop it!
You're so funny. All right, we need to remove the old makeup. Why isn't it working? Oh, right, I forgot to soak it in remover. It still won't come off. Time for drastic measures. Filing off the eyeshadow with a drill bit. Cleaning the lips too. All set. We can paint new eyes. Sketching the outlines. The irises will be pink lilac. And black pupils. This still doesn't look right. Adding white highlights with a dotting tool.
Ooh, so pretty. Let's add some sparkle.
As always, a brilliant idea. Coating the eyes with glitter polish. Gluing on star earrings. Bringing it to life. Oh, are you done already? So, how do I look? Am I pretty?
Let me see. Wow, girl, look at you. You're stunning, period.
Wow! Just look how these new eyes shine. So, ready for stage 3?
Now it has to be a dress.
And it is... Yes, an outfit!
Yay! Finally! Woohoo! Yes! Yay!
We're sewing a costume.
I am so happy. Right now! Where are you going?
Time to get rid of the old clothes.
I brought a sketch.
Let's start with this skirt. Hand it over. Time for patterns. Folding the sheet in half, then into quarters, diagonally once and twice. Great, drawing a corner like this. Cutting it out and trimming the tip. It turned into a sun skirt.
Wow, a sun, that's me.
Aw, that's adorable, Lali. Tracing the pattern onto fabric. I need 2 pieces, black and white. Cutting along the outline. A slit in the back, and we can try it on. A fluffy underskirt goes underneath. Putting on a t-shirt. I'll repaint it purple. Attaching the bodice and fastening the straps.
Oh my glitter, that's amazing. You forgot the shoes.
Uh-oh.
All good, I brought boots.
Wow, perfect. Adding stylish leg warmers on top. Ta-da! Lily's look is complete. I look so different.
I think it turned out incredible. Comment if you'd want a doll like this. I'll read everything, promise.
I've been waiting forever, but I'm used to it.
Get up, time to spin.
This time, I'll do it for sure.
Yes, go! Ready?
Yeah.
Spin it.
Yay, I did it!
Yes!
Nice job, you did great. And next we've got, oops, upside down.
It's outfit time, yeah!
What? A dress?
Just kidding, it's for me.
Nope, no dresses here. See, let's start with a shirt. Which fabric should I pick?
Let me think. This one, it shines so pretty.
Okay, your call. Laying out the fabric. But actually, we need the matte side. Perfect. Placing the doll and tracing with a marker. Cutting it out. We've got 2 pieces. Time to sew them together.
So heavy threads.
Which ones should we use? Maybe pink?
No, use blue.
You sure? Stitching it by hand. And let's try the shirt on Rory.
Plastic fantastic.
A crown made of golden hot glue. Done. Oh, and for the bottom, new jeans.
But they're too long.
Really?
Look, these are shorts. It doesn't match.
No problem. Cutting the legs, and now they're shorts.
And sparkle. There we go. Beautiful.
I'll make the shoes from light clay, mixing blue and black, but not completely. Covering the boots, adding small details, a cape from stretchy fabric.
Ooh, a real superhero.
I made a shield from light clay and acrylic, drawing a pattern with decorative cream.
Like Rory's look if you haven't yet.
The outfit turned out exactly like the original.
Why are you standing there? Go to your sister.
Hi, Lily.
Rory, it's you!
Yay, we're together again.
Yes! Leave 10 crowns in the comments if you liked Rory's look, and 10 stars for Lily's.
Such a sweet moment. They're reunited.
Well, there, don't cry, Lali. But it really is super cute.
So, ready for some adventures?
Yeah, it's gonna be fun. These are the awesome characters we made today. It was my doll, Lali, and me, Lalilu. Bye-bye. See you soon.